Hello everyone, I'm Ruparna Ghosh. Welcome back to Millies Natural Beauty channel where we talk about handcrafted skincare products and handcrafted skincare solutions. For handcrafted skincare products, you can follow us on Instagram at Millies Natural Beauty channel, and also you can get your handcrafted skincare products from www.mnbeautystore.com. So today in our DIY section, we are going to talk about acne mask. So how you can make acne mask with just 4 ingredients, and that will be parsley leaves, lemon juice, honey and kaolin clay. So let's check with the recipe over here. Thank you.
For making acne lightening mask, we will take half cup fresh leaf of parsley and we will take it out from the stem. And then we will mix it with 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. We will mix these two items with 1 full tablespoon of honey. And we will take these 3 items and blend together. After blending, we will add 1 to 2 tablespoon of kaolin clay. And we will start to blend until we reach a spreadable paste. This mask is best fresh, stored in a closed container in the refrigerator and use within 4 days. And it will help to give you the actual property of acne clearance, and it is best suited for oily and acne prone skin. For more recipes, you can subscribe us on Instagram and Facebook and YouTube at Millies Natural Beauty. Thank you so much. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.